Hi, good morning. Thanks for watching this video. Today weather is beautiful right now at Lower Pierce Reservoir, and there's a very nice shelter here, so I don't have to build any tub and all that, and we have got a nice table here as well, so perfect setup for unboxing video. So we're gonna unbox a couple of things this morning, and let's start off by unboxing this. Okay, so this is a backpack and a sling bag from Camping Moon. I saw this on Shopee, and straight away I knew I had to get it because it's a perfect bag for me to put all my cooking stuff and all that, or most of my cooking stuff. This is the size. You can get this at Shopee for about $40, 40 Singapore dollars. It's a very nice tactical color. Has got all these straps here that you can add on extra things later on. It's got two nice mesh pocket at the side, quite large. You can put other stuff, and then there is a zipper pocket in the front as well, a small zipper pocket in the front, quite a big one. You can put all your utensils and all that. And let's open up this bag. I roughly show you what are the stuff that can go inside. Okay, so I can put up to 4 canisters. Okay, so after putting one in the slot, I can put one more. I can still close it. Okay, so I can put, actually effectively I can put 4. It comes with dividers and all that that you can customize. I have got 3 pans here, which I will also talk about later on. Okay, this comes as a set. This comes as a set, so it comes with this as well. All right, so and what I like about this is, so it comes with a detachable handle. So let's finish talking about the bag first. So I can fit 2 bowls inside. I can fit the whole stove. So before this, I used to carry this in a box, which is really cumbersome. So this is my stove. I put it in a bag. And also with the stove, I have a cast iron plate to windproof the stove a little bit. So that's about it. So this is how it looks like inside. All right, so you can divide it according to your needs and all that. So you can tell there are quite a few things I can fit into this bag. And what I also like about it is you can carry it as a backpack. If you want to, you can also carry it as a sling bag. Overall, I'm very pleased with the quality of the bag. Very thick and tough material. So no complaints on the build quality. And for $40, I can put most of my cooking stuff in this bag and just carry it to the campsite. It's pretty easy. All right. So I'm going to put the stove back first. Okay, I put all the things that I don't need back in, including the bowls. I don't need the bowls. Put this back in. Okay, let's put the bag aside because the next thing I want to talk about are this. Okay, I got this from Shopee as well, and during the sale, I believe this was going for like 119 Singapore dollars. It usually goes for 149 or 169. I can't remember exactly, but there are times where there's a flash sale and it drops the price to really low. Originally this goes for 229 though. All right, and I got it for 119 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so it comes with 16 cm soup pot, 20 cm pan, and a 26 cm wok, and then also a 26 cm pan. These are non-stick. They are from Tefal, by the way, Tefal. And these are the non-stick series. I got the ones that are non-induction. You cannot use it for induction. It's a little bit cheaper, I think. What I really like about this pan set is it comes with these detachable handles, so you can basically clip onto the pan when you need to hold on to the pan to do your frying and stuff like that. And then when you don't need it, you just release it, and then you can clip all the other pans with the same handle. So that way you don't have to carry pans with handles that takes up a lot of space, and to stack it up is really easy. So what I like to do is, this comes with the packaging, and I like to keep it within so that it doesn't scratch the non-stick. There should be another one somewhere. Okay, so you can see how compact it is when it is all packed. And then this handle is you just put at the side, and the whole thing doesn't take up a lot of space. I think this is the perfect cookware for camping use, because it doesn't take up a lot of space, and plus it's non-stick. It's really easy to clean. Sometimes when I don't have water and all that, right, I just wipe it with kitchen towel or wet wipe, and then that's it. I go home and wash it. So this is it. All right, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece cookware from Tefal. All right, so now we want to talk about the highlight of this unboxing. All right, I really like this. I got this like 2 weeks ago from Campers Corner. This is the Soto twin burner stove. It's made in Japan. Soto is a very good camping brand in Japan, and Campers Corner carry quite a lot of Soto stuff. I believe some of you already have other kind of stove from Soto and all that. This one really caught my eye because I like how compact it is when it's all folded and all that, and also I really like the fact that it has 2 burners, and also it has a windshield built in. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to open this up. Okay, so you can lift off the whole thing. I will just remove this. So I'll put the box away first. There you go. And this is how it looks like. It looks like a briefcase, all folded, right? So you can carry it like this. You know, it's not too heavy. I think it's about 5 kg, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this is how slim it is when it's all folded. Right, I like the whole construction is all aluminum, so it doesn't rust. Okay, and I'm just gonna open it up. So this is the folded legs. Once it is open, it is locked. It is locked. You need to push it in order to close it. So it's quite secure, if you ask me. It doesn't close by itself, even if you try. Right? I'm gonna face the stove your way. Okay, because of course when you're using it, then you have to face it the other way. All right, so you open this thing up here. Okay, all right, this is how it looks like. And then there is a attachment here that you just put it in here to stop it from closing. And then it comes with 2 pieces of the windshield that you fit in like so. All right, I really like, you know, how simple this is and yet very effective. Okay, so this is the whole thing that you're looking at right now. It's got 2 burners, 2 controllers, a fire starter over here. All right, and you can see that it is quite sturdy. So even when you put something heavy on top, it doesn't matter. Let me quickly show you how this works. So basically, there is a safety catch here that you have to unturn. It's this way. Yeah, so it's already unturned. All right, and then basically all you need to do is push the canister in, force it in, as locked. Now you just have to tighten it to make sure that it doesn't come off accidentally. Okay, so this is all. You just push it in, and then it's ready to go. All right, and this is the fire starter. Right, and you just turn on the gas, the regulator, and I'm not sure whether you can see from the video, the fire is already on, and this is maybe the smallest settings, and apparently it can go up to, let me see, 3,300 kcal, whatever that means. That means the power of the fire. 3,300 is pretty powerful if you ask me. Let's turn it up all the way, or this is the maximum. Okay, it's pretty hot. Okay, you can turn it off. Okay, so basically you need another canister here, all right, to control this. So you need two canisters. The reason why it is built such a way with the high legs and all that is because it has to fit the canister. I'm just wondering if I can modify this to come with a hose so that I can put the canister elsewhere and put this flat on the table so it's a little bit lower. I would say on a regular camping table, which is about 40 cm tall or high, this will be quite okay. This will bring it up to another maybe 25. So when you're sitting on a camping chair, the height is actually still okay. It is also okay right now because it's on a regular table. I'll just turn this around. So on a regular table, it may be a bit high. But it is still okay. It's not that high yet. All right. I find it might be better if it can be flat on the table itself. But this is okay. I guess on the camping table it is perfect. After all, this is designed for camping. They're not designed for a regular table settings, but still usable if you ask me. So this grill can be taken off, okay, to wash, clean. So is the aluminum plate. It's also removable. If you ask me, is it easy to clean? I say pretty much. So you can see that there's a windshield on both sides. So if the wind is blowing from this direction or from the side, basically it helps to prevent the wind from blowing off the fire. This is it. It's pretty handy, and I like it a lot. Okay, I don't know about you. Okay, let's see how long it takes for it to boil some water. I've got approximately 1 liter of water in here. Okay. Let's test the starter if it works. So that's the thing with starter. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, never mind. I've got a lighter here. Can always use a lighter. Turn it on. Okay. Let's set it up to the highest. All right. Let's see how long it takes to boil the water. It is now, okay, let me start the stopwatch. Okay, so the water is starting to boil. You can see the steam coming out from the spout. And it took approximately 4 minutes, 11 seconds to bring it to a boil. I would say that's pretty fast. Okay, less than 5 minutes. That's at the highest settings. Let's turn it off. Can you see the steam that's coming up? Yeah, you can see, right? And turn it off. So approximately 5 minutes. less than 5 minutes to bring it to a boil. That's pretty awesome. All right. Okay, so that's all we want to talk about in today's unboxing video. I hope you liked the video, and as usual, I will continue to make more videos whenever there are new stuff and things that I think might interest you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.